know it's from creation. I told them no, no, it's from creation. Bam, bam, hey, yo.
I don't give a shit. Spragga ain't going nowhere yet. If you want more Spragga, say Spragga! Don't play with the thing, DJ. DJ, don't play with the thing. Give me a rhythm for the DJ.
I'm in my rap with. Yeah, I'm in my rap with. All the gangsters, put up on the banner. All of the bad man, put up the banner. Yo, tell the boy, tell the boy. All of the bad girl in the box here, put up the gun finger. Cause some boy don't gonna call up in your behind your back, you know. When I outside them there in New York, when you call about the boy and tell him, yo, you feel some man a fool, pussy. You think it's like the carnival, like now you're at while I see you go on the final, so you're feeling alive. Pussy! That's what me about a sort of like what you tonight, you 32 and got up on the road without a fight. Pussy! You think my fear for it, I'm here to work up on the telephone line. I want to let bossy boy in the evening.
Yeah! Bad man no make bad enough. I said I was a piece of it, I got some of war. You want to show bad. Anytime you're ready to commit murder, we treat you very nice. I make you think everything smooth and proper, then they give you the surprise. When I wanna be up the silent killer, kill them in a style. The bad man is right.
Keep it low, same way. I know why we kill some boy in a silence. Cause some boy can't get no girl if they no eat. No boy not say nothing because they man do. Yeah, pull up. Alright, as a Rasta man, I have to sing a Rasta song. We don't want to read him. Huh? We don't want to read him. I don't say. Don't want to hear him. Listen here. No, I want to listen. Don't want to hear him. Some people don't have them priorities right in life. Some girl are shining the big iPhone 5S for me, and some only pick them up here a good coat for the winter. Fuck that shit. That one your name. And some man face it too. That one your name. Me not done my own pan Prada. You mad? Me don't have clothes on my radar. Enough man spend them last to go shop a balaba. Long as me have life, I give thanks to the Father. Cause me no need brand when me full up a swagger. And clothes that come off when gyal get dagger. To out time, and I make the note and maga. Look. Yo, cool man. Me tell you don't fuck around. Listen. Some boy have to have a name brand to get pussy. Not me. No. That one your name. Me not done my own pan Prada. You man? Me done have clothes on my radar. Enough man spend them last to go shop a balaba. Long as we have life, we give thanks to the Father. Cause me no need brand when we full up a swagger. And clothes that come off when girl with Spragga. To out time, all of it in out and maga. Enough clothes that fit right no matter how much me spend. Me still, I wear jeans no matter how much for them. A shirt for my back and the max at $10 for everything dog as long as it blend. For me look neat and eat that my goal. Me tell them, hold on and listen what me say man. Analyze, me tell them, name brand not put food on table, no. Name brand not pay light and cable, no. Name brand not make your life more stable. Some man spend them last and I want them able to go. Name brand not put food in a pot, no. Name brand just in a music a lot. Why? To make you feel like you need it. But me a try it even if I cheap boot and socks. Yeah, me rather cheap boot and socks. Yeah. Worse now, me see them boots are tax. Dog, me not go buy nothing for boots and chat. But on my office speak truths and facts. Sure, well if you're rich, of course, go buy some. Name brand nice and I know nothing for try some. But me not buy it when my house a slide down and my family hungry dog. Me rather not buy no car. Name brand not put. Fuck, me not put it out. Respect now, bless it now. Give me something there, run somebody. Fuck it. Press me like a jukebox. People, we have answer. If you come from a party and another party tonight, we're fucking on here with you. Come on, man. Come on. Why-yo! Why-yo! Go on the back. Why-yo! Pull up. Them people are ready for go on. You ready for go on? Alright, so play something lively then. Give me something lively. Give me a with them and speed them up to man, and not slow up the thing. Not the thing. Alright. Yo, well, Spragga Benz upon the ends, the girl, them contact lens. I'm picking up all my air conditioner, my fans and friends. I got the KG9s, you know, I got Mac 10s, my banana and them. And if a boy feeling bad like I see, yeah, pull up. What are they for you? You know that time you're good at DJ a cappella. And the girl, they were saying, yeah. Yo, the girl, they want to perform, some performer. I'm giving them on for the rock performer. Make them off the look, and they don't want the rock performer, some performer. And not the rock performer, they want a man to do it. Hey, yeah, they want a man to get them inside, outside, give them a ride, and make them feel like they want to bust just tonight. So if you don't perform the way they should, money not going to do no good, because when they want to fuck, they're not getting no right, they want boy like we. When we get the Christian backside, when we are spot, them backside, the man say, them right. Long performer, some performer, the wrong performer, make them off the look and they want the wrong performer, some performer. That's that. Not each one nothing. You know, I'm not going to give us some shot or something. But there with them beautiful girls that's tonight, that want some. Give us some acting. Yeah. Alright. Very impromptu. But watch out now. Yeah, this is the ear remix. Girl, them off it dance with them here, the lyrics. Them off it, jump around, turn and twist, they call it go, and then something like this. And the ear, don't go on to you. Make that last friend, can't take a minute here. Smuggle out pose in all the new clothes. Alright, what's good? You don't see you never look at your man, and you look you. You love the way a girl can say I know. You don't make a friend, and you don't scrape on fun. No, you wear shoes and a front. No, you don't depend on that, you go like a tool. Look, what a good looking girl in there. Yo, the one in here. Your body good and it a show. Look how your skin just like this and I go. How so? How you look sexy so? More ask some questions. More you tell me if you use and I know that I know I'm there. Yeah, but charge me with a film baby. Yeah, but take cosmetic surgery. All this don't know make me hear and tell me if the one with the clothes on Sunday. You say with party car and day. You scrape your pot when you're hungry. And pretty girl, boy, you tell me if you're born with your natural beauty. You no, it looks like an ugly girl that leaves. Yo, boy, you tell me if you're born with your natural beauty. Your boyfriend tell you say you're sexy. You got what it takes to hold Tony. Shout it out loud and clear. Tell me if your boyfriend will treat you like a lady. And if him, I give you money plenty. Yep. Them hear the sound weak. Pull up. Yeah, hear me? It's all a good time. I don't come support Nari. Bless up on yourself. I'm more like, you see me? Next year, me build feel properly and come good in the proper thing. Red Square! Forever. Slow box, large.